In this video, we're going to learn about the raycast technique. Raycast is the process of shooting a ray in a specified direction to detect whether there is an object lies in the path of that point, or of that ray. So, for example, we are having the hero moving around in the environment, as in this game, and we would like to see if there is anything in front of him, like such the wall or the gate. So if the ray hits the gate, we would like it to open automatically for the hero. We don't want to collide with the gate, because colliding means that we have to touch the gate, and this is not what we want. We want the gate to be open before we arrive. So we will use the raycasting technique. It's a simple technique. What we have to do first, we need to create a new script, call it hero. In the update function, I'm going to first declare a variable of type hit, a raycast hit info, raycast hit. I'll call it hit info. And another variable, I will call it distance of type float, and the value of the distance is the length of the ray. Okay, now in the update function, in each frame, I'm going to cast a ray using physics dot raycast, and then I'm going to send 4 parameters. The first one is the origin point, where I want my ray to start. That's it. In this case, is where the hero is standing. So I'm going to send its current position. Transformed with position. The second parameter is the direction in which I want to send. I can send in any direction, but in this case, I want to send it forward. Transform the position dot forward. Okay. Sorry. Transform dot forward. The third parameter is the hit info. I have written the out keyword. It's a C# keyword, meaning that this parameter is going to bring me back some information from the function, because the return value of the raycast is a Boolean value. It's true or false. It will return true if it hits something, but that something information will be stored inside hit info. The last parameter, I'm going to send the distance I would like the ray to travel. So that is the distance, and then if this is true, I want to do something here. So if it was the door, so if hit info is the parameter that brings me what I have hit, dot collider dot game object dot tag equal to door. So if the tag on that game object is door, then we would like to play the animation on that door to open it. So I would say hit info dot collider dot game object dot get component. I will use get component, and remember, we have the animation component, not the animator, animation, and then 2 parentheses. Then this will return, this statement so far will return me an animation component. So all of this is actually equal to the animation component on that object. So what I'm going to do with that, I'm going to play an animation. So I'm going to send the name of the animation clip I would like to play. That is going to be the door opening. Okay, so the name of this animation is actually coming from the actual clip name inside Unity. If we go back to Unity, we go to assets, and where we have stored our animation, we call it actually get01 open. So I'm going to change that to get01 opening. Okay, so now we have the code ready, but we need to do some more things inside the editor. The first thing, we need to tag the gate or the door with door tag. So I'm going to add tag, new tag, and well, it's already there actually. So I'm just going to remove that. I'm going to add it to that one. Here's the door. So this is a door, and then we have to attach the newly created script to the first person controller. Okay, so let's try now and see what is going to happen. It's supposed to play the door animation 5 meters before I hit the door, but what happened now, I have got an error message. It says the animation could not be found and the get01 must be marked as legacy. In the previous video, we have mentioned that the animation should be or the animation component is the legacy animation component. That means it works only with legacy animation. So these clips currently, they only works with the animator component. To make them to work with the animation legacy component, we have to mark them as legacy. So the first thing, I'm going to select them and go to inspector here, and then hit near the lock icon, and then debug, and then I'm going to hit legacy. Okay, so that will make them legacy animation. So again, when I play the animation, I'm moving towards the gate. 5 meters before I reach the gate, again something should happen, and in this gate actually it was open. But 5 meters maybe is too close, so maybe we change it to 15 to see the effect again, and take our character, move it just near the gate. And now 15 meters before I reach the gate, something should happen. Here we go. Okay, so that's it.